Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a quick review on this Nokingo Universal Planner. I got the pink version, guys, and this is how the pink looks like. It's a very pretty color. I really like the strap that it comes with. It's basically to hold all the planner together or to bookmark any page that you want to. It does come with like a plastic cover in the front, and it says weekly and monthly planner as well. Now, it does come with a yearly overview, and since it is universal, it comes with 3 different years. We have the 2022, 2023, 2024. It does have the special holidays as well for all of the years. And once you start going, it does come with like contact information, name, address, numbers, and then we get to the actual months and years. So as you can see, it's completely universal. You can put in the month and you can put in the year. It does come with all of the little squares, and you put in the numbers and where they go. It has a little note section on the side, and then this is my favorite part. It actually comes with like a weekly planner so that you can put in the month, the year, the week's focus, to-do list, and goals. And it has Monday through Sunday here. And in the back, it has several pages with notes so that you can write any type of note that you want to. It is a lot of pages, guys. This is how long it is. You can use it literally any month, any year. So if you're looking for a weekly and monthly planner that is completely universal, I would definitely recommend this one.